Now that we've finished with our frog base and doing all of our petal folds, what we're going to do is we're going to do another fold. So if we look down here, you can see my piece has gotten really, really tiny. So what we're going to do is we've taken from the frog base, we've taken this flap and just folded it up like so. Now what we're going to do on the bottom side is we're going to fold this over to where it meets the center line, like so. Just fold it down. There we go. And I'm going to take my little chopstick here, just crease it down. We're going to do that all over on all sides of our model here. I'm going to switch to my smaller chopstick because this is a smaller model. Flip it over, do it on the back side. There we go. We're just going to complete it on all sides, all the way around.